Good job, Red. Oh, good. Oh, no. You had it. We've had drought in the West in the last few years, and people are short on hay. People we usually get our hay from are running short for their own cows. So I'm down to a few bales, and I'm afraid we're not going to make it this spring. Ed's horse crossed the Rainbow Bridge this winter, so they have extra hay. So we're over here and blessed to get a bale of hay from Ed and Molly that will hopefully last us until the grass grows.
Might not even be far enough.
Oh. Rob fell down off the back of a pickup, but of course I had this turned off. I told Molly, I always miss the good stuff. We're thinking this bale of hay will do us until spring comes and the grass grows. We're hoping anyway. Whoa! That's good! Whoa! Whoa! Up! Up, 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 up! Okay. What are you doing, big boy? There's your breakfast, lunch, and dinner for the next several weeks.
What do you want, boy? Get that off.
Yeah, hope you don't have to cut it. You're so pretty, Summit. What do you think? Cleaning out the goat pen today. Pretty yucky. We're very wet. We've been raining a lot. Those goats know when that gate's open. You better lock that.
Huh?
You better lock that. During a funeral of a rancher friend, they talked about how she always said, "Close the gate." I told Rob, I said, "You're going to be saying the same thing at my funeral."